guys, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unboxing the Ultra Center piano gloves. So I just received this box about like a day ago, but you know, doing stuff and working out, I don't have the time to unboxing this. But let's do this, guys. Let's see what we have and how is the center look from SVS. Let's see. The first thing there, guys, that we can see is I believe the manuals and also some brochure over here. Let's put this on the side. Also we have the grill. This is the grill. Put this center in here and fold this down, that way we can put the center in the top and we appreciate it better. Okay guys, right here. Alright guys, this is the first look of my center channel. Right here. So we have two woofer. We got, I believe that's the mid-range, how you call it, speakers, and then the nice tweeter. It's look really nice, guys. This is 6-inch. I believe this driver is about like 3.5, 4-inch and a short and 1-inch tweeter. From the back we have that you can do it by wire, you can do it by amp, or just do a full range. So that is amazing option over here that we have. Also we have two air ports, that way the speakers or the driver can breathe and it sounds great. And that's it for today, guys. This is the piano gloves SVS Ultra Center channel. Also, I want to just give me 1 second. I want to compare with something. Let me get my tablet real quick, because I want to compare how big it is. That way you guys know. This is my tablet right here. So this is the size of the tablet. The tablet is about like I believe it's 7-inch. So that way you know. Alright guys, so if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button and stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.